Welcome to Dry Ground Honey. Today, we're going to have a go making some queen cells. I plan to split this hive into about 4 or 5 colonies in a couple of days. So, we're going to try and make queens the most cost-effective way possible. I don't have any fancy queen making equipment or like any night cut systems or JZBZ caps. I don't have anything like that. I don't even have a top bar frame to put some queens in. All I've got is this. So we're going to try and make some queen cells with a nail super glued onto a bit of copper pipe. Let's see, this is cheap and cheerful beekeeping. Let's see how it goes. We're suited up, smoker's lit, let's do it. Yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is check on our Italian queen in this little nuke box. I haven't been in yet since I had to let her out to the cage. So let's see if she's laying up in there. A bit of smoke. Oh look, they're trying to get me. You see that then? Smoke these little suckers in. 2 frames they're covering. This outside frame they're putting a bit of stores on. Nothing exciting though today, we're just going to try and look for the queen. And look for some brood. I made a start on drawing this frame. A good sign. Wow. Look at this. Fully capped brood. Both sides. Good, good, good. Here's the queen on this frame, so now I'm going to bring it over to the camera. Both sides fully capped brood. Now let's get on to the good stuff. Let's try and make a couple of queens. A bit of smoke. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of research into making the queens, but I seen an old fella from America use something very similar to this. Punch out a larvae, stick it to the top of a frame, and make some queens. So we'll give it a go. If it doesn't work, I'll have to buy in some queens, won't I? But yeah, oh well. But it won't hurt to give it a go. Let's try. Now it's pretty full of bees. I don't know if you can see there, I'm using a tripod. I only got one camera, but it's pretty full of bees. In fact, everything is almost fully drawn. So let's have a quick look through. We've got to find the queen, put her out the way into my little green box like on the stand there. The pollen they got in there. I built all these hives myself and they brace combing up the bottom of the frame, so see? So maybe I didn't get the bee space quite right. Look at this, a fat slab of brood. Nice slab, look at that. This frame is full of eggs. Full of eggs. Just check for the queen then. Yep, there's the queen. So if you see a frame full of eggs, it's worthwhile to always check for the queen. Because she's probably on there laying, and here she is. Let's get this in a box secure. I got a little green box here. She's in there, no way she can get out. Now we can start looking for tiny little larvae so we can make some little queens. I'm going to move everything with eggs down the bottom. I'm going to keep some frames with emerging brood and oldish larvae to draw some nurse bees up the top and feed our queen cells as they're growing. We'll get into that as we go. This is all emerging brood. This can stay at the top. Now this might be a sort of frame we're looking for. But we've got capped brood in the middle. And then progressively going out smaller brood. You know, it's pretty difficult to see this small brood, you know. We'll look for some eggs. Look for some things next to it. Wow, it's difficult to see. So this might be a frame we'll use. Hopefully there's a couple of frames of eggs and newly hatched larvae down the bottom. Plenty of bees. We'll be more than enough to make our splits. This is a emerging brood. So this is going to go in the top. That's a emerging brood. Now, it hasn't been backfilled with eggs. Why aren't they filling it back up with eggs then? There's the brood hatches. Why ain't the queen going in there filling it up with eggs? You know what, this queen ain't laying in the bottom box. She's not laying in it at all. This is just all emerging. There isn't any new eggs or anything. Why ain't she laying in the bottom as well, man? I'll shake all the bees off this. Try and find some of these little larvae. I'm pretty sure this is the frame of the smallest emerging larvae that we got. The smallest larvae there that we got. I'm pretty sure this is it. Alright, we found a frame. Now what are we going to do? Going to put the queen. She gone. Where you gone, queen? Need to find the queen in here. There's the queen. She's at the bottom of the box on the floor. She's just walking around on the floor. What do you do in this situation? Just let her get on the frame, wait it out, or what do you do? Alright, I've managed to get the queen on the frame and get it in here before any drama happens. Right, now what I'm going to do, well, now I'm going to smoke these guys down and put a queen excluder on. Stop that queen coming up. Then I'm going to put honey super on. Eventually I'll have a super on. I'm going to put this box with our punch outs in the top. Now, I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do or not, but for putting some space between the queen and these grafts, well, not grafts, this queen and these punches might be worthwhile. Right, this is what I'm going to do. It's pretty simple. I'm going to just take the little copper punch, going to cook it a tiny bit, punch it through the wax, take out the little plug that I've taken, stick it on top and in between two frames. Alright, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Find the spot where the eggs meet the larvae, which is around here, and around there. I'm going to try and punch out the smallest larvae that I can. Let's just cook it up a little bit. And punch all the way through. Right, well, I got the larvae I want there in this little cup. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm putting them along the top of this frame. Sticking them there along the top of the frame. So hopefully it'll work. Not having good success. Oh no. This isn't working out quite how I thought it was going to. But more than likely, judging by it at the minute, I'm just butchering a frame of larvae. Oh, I'm not sure it's going to work. You know? I'm not sure it's going to work. I'm going to keep going now. I started, but I was confident at the beginning, but now now I'm not confident at all. Alright, I'll get back once we've done a full frame. I've taken some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was so confident coming down here this morning. I don't think any of those are going to take. And all I've really done is massacre a completely fine frame of brood. Look at that. Disgusting. Well, I'm going to carry on as if I'm still confident in what I'm doing. I'm going to put everything that's eggs down the bottom, which I think I've already done. Check through the top brood box again quick. Next we got our top box. Our grafts are there, all our punches. There's all emerging brood. Stuff like that in between them. Right. I don't think it's gonna work. If it does though, flip an egg. Pipe on a nail, if it works. Well, I think I'm gonna be buying queens next week. I accidentally deleted the footage where I came and checked on these plugs. It didn't work. It didn't work. But the bees had made play cups, put eggs inside, made their own queen cells. Like a fool trying to put the boxes back together, I killed them. Oh, dang it. Okay.